Raleigh Fence Companies and Fence Builders. Raleigh. Everything you need to know. Here are some common mistakes to avoid when looking for fence companies, not researching the company's reputation. To avoid this, read online reviews and ask for references. Choosing a company based solely on price is another mistake. To avoid this, consider the company's experience and quality of materials. Another mistake is not checking for proper licenses and insurance. Avoid this by verifying the company's licenses and insurance coverage. Ignoring the warranty and after-sales service is another mistake. Avoid this by ensuring you understand the warranty terms and inquire about after-sales service. Not getting a written estimate is also a mistake. Always request a written estimate before starting the project. Here are the most asked questions about Raleigh Fence Companies. How long does it take to install a fence? The installation time depends on the size and complexity of the project, but typically takes 1-2 days. What types of materials are commonly used for fences? Common materials include wood, vinyl, aluminum, and chain link. Can I customize the design of my fence? Yes, many fence companies offer customization options to meet your specific preferences. Do I need a permit to install a fence? It depends on your local regulations. Check with your city or county authorities for permit requirements. How much does a fence installation cost? The cost varies depending on the materials, size, and complexity of the project. It is best to request a personalized estimate. Can you remove my old fence? Yes, many fence companies offer fence removal services. Do you offer any warranties on your fences? Answer 7. Yes. Most reputable fence companies provide warranties on their installations. Can you provide references from previous customers? Absolutely, we are happy to provide references upon request. How do I maintain and clean my fence? Different materials require different maintenance methods. We can provide you with maintenance guidelines specific to your fence. What is the average lifespan of a fence? The lifespan varies depending on the material, but most fences can last anywhere from 15 to 30 years with proper maintenance. Call us now at 919-367-1044 for your free custom fence estimate. Or visit us online at www.customfencecompany.raleigh.com and https://www.customfencecompany.raleigh.com.